Imagine you're a traveler embarking on a new adventure. You step into a bustling airport, excitement in the air, and your mind is filled with anticipation. As you navigate through the sea of people, a thought crosses your mind. Every frequent flyer packhacker needs a good carry-on, but what truly makes a high-quality one? Is it the capacity to hold your essentials? The maneuverability to glide effortlessly through crowded terminals? The durability to withstand the test of time? Or the design that perfectly balances functionality and style? These are the questions we set out to answer. With a mission to find the ultimate carry-on companion, we embarked on a journey of testing and exploration. Suitcases, duffels, weekenders, backpacks, and underseat bags all entered our scrutiny. We carefully filled them, lifted them, and glided them across different surfaces. We pushed them to their limits, subjecting them to the rigors of real-life travel scenarios. And now, we present to you the culmination of our efforts, Travel Essentials Best Carry-On Luggage 2023 Revealed. Each one comes with its own set of outstanding features designed to enhance your travel experience. But remember, choosing the perfect one for you requires consideration of your unique needs and preferences. In the description below, you'll find the links to all the products mentioned in this video. So join us on this journey as we unravel the secrets of the best carry-on luggage, ensuring that you are well equipped for your next adventure. Pack your dreams, embrace the possibilities, and let your carry-on become your trusted travel companion. Number 5. Swiss Gear Scion Softside. Introducing the ultimate rolling suitcase, designed to elevate your travel experience with style and convenience. Navigating through crowded airports or narrow airplane aisles is effortless, thanks to its 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels and locking retractable push-pull handle. Stay organized and ready to go with the multiple front panel pockets, including a built-in ID tag for quick identification. Security and durability are paramount, as the expandable travel case offers ample packing space and is created from a scuff-resistant polyester fabric with the fully lined interior. Adjustable tie-down straps ensure your garments remain secure through your journey. Effortless organization is at your fingertips with a removable, zippered wet bag and a large mesh lid pocket, and a packing pocket for small items and accessories. Convenience continues with the reinforced padded top handles and integrated side and bottom handles, making lifting and carrying your luggage a breeze. Prepare to conquer your travels with this stylish and functional rolling suitcase, offering seamless organization and a smooth journey wherever you go. Embrace the perfect blend of durability, efficiency, and style as you embark on your next adventure. Number 4. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Hardside. Introducing the ultimate travel companion and carry-on luggage that seamlessly blends convenience and reliability for every journey. Its Sizer bin tested design ensures a perfect fit in most major domestic airport overhead bins, while maximizing packing capacity for your treasured souvenirs. Experience precise control and effortless rolling in the Precision Glide system, featuring a contour grip, Power Scope light handle, and Magnetrack self-aligning magnetic spinner wheels. Navigating through bustling airports and crowded streets becomes effortless, reducing strain on your arms. Stay connected on the go with external USB A and C ports and fast charging capabilities, empowering you to power your electronics while traveling. The external battery pocket, cleverly hidden inside the expansion feature, offers easy access and FAA compliance. Security is paramount with the built-in TSA-approved lock, granting authorities safe and secure access when needed. Meanwhile, the ultra-strong 100% polycarbonate hard shell, equipped with aluminum corner guards, protects your belongings while presenting a stylish, scuff-resistant finish. Step inside to find interior zippered divider panels, keeping your contents organized, separated, and secure. An additional water-resistant pocket offers versatile packing options for damp items or toiletries. This 21-inch carry-on luggage is the epitome of functionality and style, combining precision, durability, and sophistication to elevate your travel experience. Embark on your next adventure with the assurance and peace of mind that this carry-on can uniquely provide. Number 3. The Briggs & Riley Uprights 21-inch Baseline Global Carry-On. A travel companion that weaves convenience and reliability into every journey. Its expandable design allows for increased storage, effortlessly accommodating those extra treasures you bring back from your adventures. Crafted with durable material like ballistic nylon, it safeguards your belongings with unwavering strength. Navigating bustling airports and crowded streets is a breeze, thanks to its smooth rolling wheels that alleviate strain on your arms. With the telescopic handle adjustable to your preference, you maintain a comfortable grip throughout your travels. TSA-approved locks provide added security while facilitating hassle-free inspections. Step inside to discover a well-organized interior, adorned with compartments, pockets, and dividers, ensuring everything stays in its place. And as a testament to their dedication, Briggs & Riley offers a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing repairs or replacement for any luggage damaged. Embark on your next adventure with the assurance and peace of mind that only the Briggs & Riley Global Carry-On can provide. Number 2. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Under Seat. Introducing the epitome of style and functionality, a compact spinner tote designed to elevate your travel experience. This carry-on not only meets FAA regulations for both carry-on and checked baggage, but also boasts a plethora of features that will make your journey a breeze. Stay connected on the go with the external USB port, while the dedicated power bank pocket ensures you can charge your devices anytime, anywhere. The Precision Glide system takes travel to a new level with MagnaTrack self-aligning 360-degree dual spinner wheels and an adjustable power scope extension handle featuring a contour grip. Effortless roll and comfortable maneuverability becomes second nature. Rest assured, your electronics are in safe hands with padded laptop and tablet sleeves, offering maximum protection for devices up to 13 inches. Crafted from high-density nylon fabric and a DuraGuard coating, this tote resists stains and abrasions, maintaining its impeccable appearance throughout frequent use. The Supra zipper heads are engineered to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings are secured with ease. Embrace the union of style and functionality with this chic spinner tote, engineered to accompany you on every adventure. With its unbeatable features, it's time to embark on your travels with confidence and flair. Number 1. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside. Introducing Samsonite's Freeform Collection, a revolution in travel design. Combining style and durability, this luggage features scratch-resistant textures and an ultra-light build, ensuring the pristine appearance trip after trip. The cool and futuristic designs, along with a unique shape, sets new standards in travel aesthetics. Freeform offers reduced weight, stronger materials, and easier maneuverability, making it perfect for frequent travelers. With its 21-inch spinner luggage adhering to most carry-on size restrictions, you can pack more without the hassle. Security is a priority with its recessed TSA lock, while the expandable case provides added packing space. Say goodbye to cumbersome travel with the ultralight, ultra-strong shells and effortless 360-degree rolling. Stay organized with thoughtful interior features, including cross ribbons, dividers, and multiple pockets. Samsonite's Freeform collection is the embodiment of travel perfection, where style, strength, and innovation meet. Set off on your adventure with confidence, embracing the future of travel. Thank you for exploring the best carry-on luggage options for 2023. Links are in the description for easy access. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Best Carry-On Luggage 2023.